Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So the sink and the countertop here don't line up, and I told the homeowner to make sure that they give the sink to the countertop contractor because it needs to be professionally done to make sure that they line up. Guys, check out the description for the 2 installs that I have on the channel, and you'll see what a proper installation looks like. So specifically on this one, the top and bottom are inset by about a 1/4 inch, and then the left and right is inset underneath the countertop by about a 1/4 of an inch. So what we'll do now is we'll take a closer look at this so you can understand what I mean. So looking at the bottom here, you see the edge of the sink, and then left and right is inset underneath the countertop. Now this is not the worst one I've ever seen, but your corners don't line up either. I'm going to do my best, line everything up so it looks as good as it can. But when you're going to use a stone type countertop, make sure that you give the sink that you bought in advance to the contractor so they can professionally cut it where everything is going to line up. When it comes to an undermount sink, in my opinion, it's a much nicer look than a drop-in, but it's crucial to have a parallel cutout. Everything is going to match properly. Otherwise, it just won't look as good as it possibly could. But guys, that's your quick tip of the week.